Hi guys, today I will try to explain you heading exercise in reading test. As you know, reading section has several types of exercises, but many students feel uncomfortable especially in this type of exercise. Actually, we have several methods to do this, and I will show you the methods that many teachers advise. I will also show you my own methods that helped me a lot. The first thing that you should know about heading is that this exercise usually comes first, and many students start from this one. But it's not advised, because while doing heading exercise first, you may be a bit confused. Why? Because heading exercise requires us to find a heading for the whole paragraph. And it's not easy if you are not acquainted with the passage a little bit. That's why I will show you other ways. The first step is to carefully read all headings and understand their meaning. It's very important because many headings, they seem very similar to each other, and you should identify their meanings. It's very important. While reading headings and understanding them, I advise to underline at least one or two words, which can help you to distinguish each heading from the others. One or two keywords can help you much. The second tip that you should take into consideration while doing heading exercise is that do not start with heading exercise. Yes, read them. Read headings, understand, underline keywords, but don't start looking for them. Start with other exercises. There are usually two exercises given after the passage. As you know, heading is given before the passage, but other exercises are given after the passage. For example, let's say that they are true, false, not given and fill in the gaps. Start doing these exercises. Let's say that you started from true, false, not given, and you started to skim, scan, and read a paragraph. For example, you have found some answers, or maybe you haven't found any answers. But how it can help you? After skimming or scanning a paragraph, you can find heading for a paragraph. The same you can do with B, C, and other paragraphs. So, this strategy is called doing exercises simultaneously or simultaneously. While doing true, false, not given, you will also find headings of each paragraph. The third step that I can advise you is not to do these exercises simultaneously, but to do them separately. For example, you can find true, false, not given and fill in the gaps questions, the answers to the questions of true, false, not given and fill in the gaps. And only after this you can go back to your headings. Why to do like this? Because in this case, you will be a little bit acquainted with the passage first, and it can facilitate your heading exercise a lot. The fourth tip that I advise you is, after doing true, false, not given, not just simply turn to heading exercise, but to do another thing. While looking for true, false, not given, fill in the gaps, or other types of exercises, you will skim, scan A, B, C, D, and other paragraphs. What can you do? While skimming, scanning, reading them, elaborating them, near each paragraph you can write a brief summary. A brief summary near A, B, C, D, and the rest. After this, with this brief summary, you can easily match headings. It will help you a lot as well. What I want to mention more, as you know, in heading exercise, we have more headings than paragraphs. And this, of course, makes the situation even worse and more difficult. What to do in this case? You should take into consideration that each paragraph covers one main idea. and other ideas are just mentioned inside the paragraph, but not covered. They are mentioned briefly in one, maybe two sentences, but they are not evolved, they are not developed. The idea is just mentioned. And what IELTS does, it takes these small ideas and write them into headings. And while writing them into headings, they use the same keywords written in the passage. This confuses many students, and while saying these keywords, they say, wow, I have found the heading, the appropriate heading. But what I advise you to read carefully each paragraph and understand the whole meaning of the passage or of the paragraph, and write a brief summary. This can help you a lot. Okay, I hope this short video tutorial can help you to facilitate or to improve your heading exercise. If it helps you, leave a comment below, or if you have some problems, again, leave a comment below. I will try to answer all comments. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and to like this video. It will support me much.